Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian. This is Pop at 50. We're having fun here with popular music of the 21st century. Today, it's Cascada with Glorious because one of my fabulous patrons said, Edge, you know I like my Cascada. I gotta have some more from you. So here I am with it. This is Glorious, and I'm sure it will be, I think maybe. Jesus, I'm such a weirdo. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join the Patreon at patreon.com/supermachojet. Come on, come hang with me there.
Spinning TV.
Spinning TB? Tuberculosis? What are you yapping about?
Do you know it's time to let yourself go?
I did.
Why don't we just let it show? Tell me what you're waiting for.
I'm waiting for my cake, yo.
Cause I wanna live before I die. Crash and burn and lose my mind. We can set the world on fire.
With the kind of money you got, yeah, I bet you can, man. Average schmo ain't hanging out in that place dressed like that, yo.
Tonight we can be
Nothing's stopping you.
glorious. We are young at heart and we're free. The world is ours. I can feel the music in me. Glorious. Found a love that eyes cannot see. Delirious.
Well, that got a very, very powerful beat out of that.
I believe the little child inside of me.
You having a baby? I know what she meant.
Can't reveal my destiny. And one day I'll be breaking free. Now's the time. We're running at the speed of light.
Running.
I'll meet you on the other side. Every time I close my eyes. Tonight we can be glorious. We are young and hard and we're free. The world is ours. I can feel
Young at heart, anyway. I don't know what you're talking about.
glorious. Found a love that eyes cannot see. Delirious. I can feel the music in me. Found a love that eyes cannot see. Tonight we can be glorious. We are young and hard and we're free. The world.
I would have shaken my ass to this when I was down in Itaewon, man. I used to hang around a lot of dance clubs when I was in my early 20s in the army in Korea. I would have shaken my ass to this.
I can feel the music in me. Glorious. Found a love that eyes cannot see. Delirious.
Ah, that's it. Just dance like that's it. Whoa, whoa. All right, fine. That was fun. I would have danced to that had I still been a dancing fool as I was in my 20s. And it was a bit fun. It was fun. It was a little thin on the lyrics, but we expect dance tunes to be, less deep than anything else, and it's acceptable and it's accepted and it's understood and it's good. So being right in the middle of where we all expect pop to be, I feel that was a fun song overall. Thanks very much for watching, and keep popping, babies.